Hello student. Today we are going to take our next lecture, that is lecture number 4 of our chapter mathematical methods. In the last lecture we have studied about the different what is scalar, what is vector, and then there are different how we use vectors, and then addition and subtraction of vectors. Now we will see some vector operations which are related to the vector. So if suppose we have two vectors, say vector A and vector B, that are not going in the same direction or in the opposite direction, means their direction are not in the one direction, means their vector A and vector B does not have the same directions, or they does not have the opposite directions. So in this case, how we will calculate the resultant vector of these two vectors? For that we will use triangle law of vector addition. For that we will use triangle law of vector addition. So what is that triangle law of vector addition? Suppose if two vectors, say any vectors p, q or ab, if two vectors describe the same physical quantity, if two vectors describing the same physical quantity are represented in magnitude and direction, then their resultant is represented in magnitude and directions by the third side of the triangle drawn in the opposite sense. Opposite sense means what? From the starting point of the first vector to the end point of the second vector. What is triangle law then? It is if the two vectors describing the same physical quantity in magnitude and directions by the two sides of a triangle, then the resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side of the vector, which is drawn in the opposite sense, that is from starting point of the first vector to the end point of the second vector. As I have drawn here, these are the two vectors, say vector A and vector B, and this PS is the resultant vector that is shown by the vector C, and it is starting from the first vector and to the end of the second vector. याला आपण जॉइन कसं केलेलं आहे पहा. Starting from the first vector to the end of the second vector. So this is the triangle of vector addition. Here we have taken vector A and vector B. Vector A is shown by the vector PQ and vector B is shown by the RS. When we join them, we have joined vector PR and vector RS. Then the resultant of these two vectors is shown by the vector C, that is vector PS, and it is described as it is joined as a first vector starting of the first vector to the end of the second vector. This is called as triangle law of vector addition, which is given by vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B. This is the triangle law of vector addition. So तुम्हाला याचा हा जो स्टेटमेंट आहे हे पाठ करायचा आहे. हे जे स्टेटमेंट आहे हे तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे, and how we represent mathematically vector C is equal to vector B, आणि डायग्राम पण ड्रॉ करायची आहे. तर आता काय आहे, triangle law of vector addition, there are two types of vector addition. One is the commutative or other is the associative. What is commutative law of vector addition? If suppose we do 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, again we can do it as a 3 plus 2, means if we change the order of a digit, जर का आपण डिजिटचा ऑर्डर जरी चेंज केला तरी त्यांची सम किती येत आहे, सारखीच येत आहे, बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे सपोज आपण जर इथे काय केलं 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 असं जरी लिहिलं तरी ह्या दोघांची जी बेरीज आहे, जे दोघांचे जे ऍडिशन आहे ते किती येईल आहे, 5 येईल आहे. तर अशा लॉला आपण काय म्हणतो, कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ म्हणतो. तर हाच लॉ आता आपल्याला इथे काय करायचा आहे, प्रूफ करायचा आहे. इथे आपण काय घेतलेलं आहे, सपोज वी हॅव हियर टू वेक्टर्स, vector P and vector Q. This vector P is the OA vector, vector Q is the AB vector. Now these two vectors are shown by the resultant vector, vector R, and another vector we have vector P which is shown by the BC, and another vector Q which is shown by the vector OC. Now if we have two vectors, vector P and vector Q, this can be written according to the commutative law as vector P plus vector Q is equal to vector Q plus vector P. या पद्धतीने आपण कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ जो आहे हा काय करू शकतो, लिहू शकतो. तर आता आपण याला प्रूफ कसं करणार, सपोज से ट्रायंगल OAB, से ट्रायंगल OAB triangle, this vector p plus q is equal to vector r, means this vector p plus q is equal to vector r according to the law of triangle law of vector addition. Then that vector r is equal to काय आहे vector ob. This is equation number 1. Then according to taking triangle OCB, then vector q plus vector p is equal to काय आहे vector r. This vector r again is equal to काय आहे vector ob. So now taking equation number 1 and 2, vector p plus q is equal to vector q plus p. झाला आपला कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ जो आहे तो आपला प्रूफ झालेला इथे. That is vector p plus vector q is equal to vector q plus vector p. Means if suppose we change the order of the digit or any letter, or if we change the order of a vectors, then also we can add them. Okay, vector p plus vector q is equal to, means suppose if we add 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, then we get the resultant of these 2 as a 5. This is the commutative law. Okay, now next one is the associative law. What is associative law then? If suppose we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 3, I am writing here. बघा इथे आता कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ आपण शिकलो. असोसिएटिव्ह लॉ म्हणजे काय आहे? इफ वी टेक 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to किती होईल आहे? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Again we can write it as a 1 plus 2 plus 1, then also it will be 4. म्हणजे काय आहे? अगेन आपण इथे काय केलेले आहे? यांचा जो ऑर्डर आहे, ऑर्डर चेंज केला का? आपण इथे ऑर्डर चेंज नाही केला, पण आपण इथे ब्रॅकेट दिलेला आहे किंवा मग याला आपण वेगळं करून इथे ब्रॅकेट दिलेला आहे. जर असं जरी आपण लिहू शकत असेल तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार? असोसिएटिव्ह लॉ म्हणणार. मीन्स 1 plus 2 in bracket plus 1 is equal to 4. Again if we write 1 plus in bracket 2 plus 1, then it is also the 4. Means resultant आपलं काय येत आहे? सेम येत आहे. This is called as vector addition is associative. We can say that vector addition is associative. Suppose we have taken here 3 vectors, vector a, vector b and vector c. Vector a, vector b and vector c. Then we can write vector a plus b, vector a plus b plus vector c is equal to vector a plus vector b plus vector c. आता आपल्याला हे प्रूफ करायचं आहे. If we take say triangle OQR, say triangle OQR, then according to this triangle, this vector r is equal to vector a plus b plus vector c. Vector a plus b is equal to vector c. This is equation number 1. And again we take angle OPR in this OPR, triangle OPR. According to this OPR, vector a plus vector b plus c, it is equal to vector r. Means vector a plus vector b plus c, it is equal to vector r, which is our resultant vector. From these two equations we can say that vector a plus b in bracket plus vector c is equal to vector a plus in bracket vector b plus vector c. Means we can say that vector addition is associative. आपण याच्यावरून काय म्हणू शकतो? वेक्टर ऍडिशन कशी आहे? असोसिएटिव्ह आहे. तर या टॉपिक वर आपण काय शिकलो आज? What is triangle law of vector addition? Then vector addition is commutative and vector addition is associative. हे खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. याला व्यवस्थित लक्ष देऊन पहा आणि यात जर तुम्हाला काही नाही समजलं तर मला विचारा. थँक्यू.